Today, Professor Mao and classmate, allow me to present my work title, Advertising Competitive Advantage and Psychology of Advertising as a Successive Plan in Holding a Continually Developing and Emerging Business. We have five key points of discussion. These are as follows: title, significance of the articles, introduction or RRL, analysis and conclusion. Once again, this is the title of my work. Let us now proceed to the next slide about the significance of the article I use in this output. Why are these articles important? In the business industry, research usually revolves around effectiveness of the product, creation of the product, and how people will come for the product. The inevitable change in society affects businesses. This trip hampered corporate world way of thinking, looking for a scheme to execute just so to appeal unique and to be entertained by the target market. Moving on to the next slide, introductions and review of related literature. In this presentation, commerce is looked at as a tool to exchange goods and services. Due to these factors, the emerging populations of businesses is apparent. Expanding a wide competitions among business owners on quest of consumer who will purchase the product or services they offer. Brought by digitalization, technology created its own universe where all people cannot exist without its inhabitants. The article and book to be critic are published in the year 2020, making it all timely and relevant as references for other studies seeking books related in terms like advertisement, online advertisement, consumer behavior, innovation, and strategic planning. We have three studies. Key point one, the role of business strategy to create competitive advantage in the organization. This book discussed briefly the buoyant pictures of competitive advantage as part of an organization. It is noticeable how this paper appeared as the shortest among the three papers to be discussed. In spite of this shortcoming with specific data, the authors were able to support their hypothesis by providing reference with similar convictions. Key point number two, the role of innovation in creating a competitive advantage. Informative yet in short supply of idea as it is only in the scope of small and medium-sized enterprises selling frozen food industry, notwithstanding that the conclusion of this study pointed the realistic interpretation of data adaptation is crucial. Key point number three, the psychology of advertising. The elucidations of every jargon of advertisement is almost present. Some ideas are not covered, bearing in mind its length, but long enough to enlighten the reader about consumer behavior towards promoted product. It shared the idea that eyes are not only looking at the moving pictures, it is also about how one can emotionally connect with the customers. For additional information, here is a summary of the analysis I made. From the intellectual figures who has written the mentioned work above, the likelihood of putting it all to practice must be anticipated. Although these work are all different in terms of its focus, the relationship among one another cannot be denied. There are things corporations should be knowledgeable about if the goal is to expand business along with a good reputation for training commitment and high quality product. It may be considered a series to think that a long time spent in reading practice and testing must be done. Now, the heart of this conclusion is to say that to see this in action is inevitable, taking into consideration that there is a rapid change in the need and wants of the people living in a certain geographical location as much as the population of uneven, emerging, and growing communities, making the market populated the same as the number of one's business competitors. The possibility to associate all this with the current trend, digitalization and maximization of technology, mentioned in the introduction of this study is visible. To think that as a whole, this paper is about how a business owner can create a distinctive competitive advantage. Allow me to share the resources of my articles in APA format coming from Google Scholar. Thank you.